Here's how to create a presentation in minutes on your Mac using Copilot in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Next, click the Copilot button on the bottom right of your screen. This is where the magic happens. I'm telling it to create a presentation about the top 3 foods to eat in Singapore. Copilot will ask you a few questions to make sure it gets the vibe right, and within minutes, I have a fully designed deck ready to go. And here's a pro tip. You can even ask Copilot to give you speaker notes and add animations automatically. Ever gotten writer's block? Here's how to use Copilot in Word on Mac to do the heavy lifting. Here I have a mock assessment that I need to get started on. Instead of staring at it trying to figure out how to get started, I just open a brand new Word document, click on the Copilot button down on the bottom right, and ask it to draft an answer for my assignment. And here's the best part. I can reference my assignment by clicking the plus icon or by typing / and selecting it from the drop-down. Within seconds, it reads my brief and builds a perfectly structured draft. If you hate building pivot tables, here's how you can use Copilot in Excel to build it for you on your Mac. I've got this massive spreadsheet packed with raw sales data. Normally, it would take me hours to get insights on this document. But instead, I just click the Copilot button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And I don't even need to type a prompt. I just click Show Interesting Trends and Insights and hit Enter. Within minutes, Copilot builds a dashboard filled with beautiful graphs and actionable summaries. So remember, work smarter, not harder.